Command.
Wait.
Leave. When you get her flat, turn and face. Call.
Daisy in front.
Daisy in front. Click. Good girl. Big praise. Break off. Good girl. Now do another one, going the same way.
Daisy. I think there, that little hesitancy, she went, what?
Yes. Good girl. Sit. Swivel to her side. Sit. Good girl. Right. Command. Leave. Halt, turn and face. Call.
Daisy in front.
She's on your leg. Just push her slightly. Come. No, she's more on that leg now. More. She's just about there now.